안녕하세요. 저는 민희.
My name is Charlie.
We are
Vivio. Okay everyone, so today we're going to be cooking rice with iCook 3-liter saucepan.
오늘은 iCook 냄비밥 요리를 할 건데요. 지금 이 냄비는 3리터 소스팬입니다.
So we have 4 cups of rice in the 3-liter iCook saucepan.
쌀을 4컵 반까지 지을 수 있으세요.
So before we cook the rice, what we did is we put it in the water and let it sit for 20 minutes with East Spring water.
밥을 하기 전에 쌀을 이스프링 워터로 20분 불려둘게요.
However, if you're in a hurry, you don't have to let it sit for 20 minutes. Rather, you can just cook it for 25 minutes and it'll be perfectly fine.
저는 현미찹쌀과 하얀 쌀을 불렸는데요. 급하실 때 시간 너무 없잖아요. 그때는 안 불리시고 바로 하시는데 쿠킹 시간을 조금 더 늘리시면 되세요. 근데 잡곡밥이나 좀 딱딱한 콩 같은 거 하시려면 꼭 불려두시기 바랍니다.
So after it sit for 20 minutes, we're going to get rid of this water and then put it in with the new East Spring water.
불려둔 물은 버리겠습니다.
We're going to change the water. Okay, so we're going to put 4 cups of water in the 3-liter iCook saucepan because we put 4 cups of rice.
저희가 쌀을 4컵 넣어서 물도 4컵 넣습니다. 1대1 비율로 넣으시면 되세요. 5컵 넣으시면 물도 5컵. 이렇게
4 cups.
간단하죠?
So now we're just going to take this lid and we're just going to cover it and then we're going to put it on the stove. Let's go. Okay, so now it's on the stove and we're going to put it on medium. And then we're going to wait until the Vitalock technology happens and we're going to have amazing rice.
불린 쌀을 넣고 물을 넣어주고 1대1 비율로 뚜껑을 덮고 미디움으로 올려줄게요. 인덕션이 있으신 분은 7단으로 일단 올려줄게요. 그리고 수봉 현상을 기다리겠습니다. 딸그락딸그락.
Okay, so now like we talked about before, the Vitalock is happening.
수봉 현상이 일어나고 있는데요. 이렇게 딸그락딸그락 소리가 나시면
Then what you do is you put it on as low as possible, okay? And then you just let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes.
수봉 현상이 일어났을 때 제일 낮은 불로 줄여주시고 그대로 15분만 기다리시면 끝!
So a very good tip is you can rip this piece off here, and if it's too noisy, you can just fold it a little bit and just put it just like so that it's not going to be too noisy.
냄비가 딸그락딸그락해서 너무 시끄러우시다면 이건 키친타올을 조금 찢으셔가지고 이렇게 옆에 끼워두면 됩니다. 그러면 조용해져요.
Okay, so after 15 to 20 minutes on low heat, we are finished with our rice.
밥이 다 되었습니다. 뚜껑을 열어볼게요.
Let's open the lid, shall we? Wow.
보이시나요?
Oh, that smells very nice.
밥이 너무 잘 됐어요.
Wow, the rice cooked really well. Looks really, really good.